This is my slow cooker, lazy ravioli lasagna. Layers of cheese, marinara sauce, meat, and cheese-filled ravioli. All the flavors of lasagna without the work. You're gonna love it. Let's make it. Brown ground beef on medium-high heat. Add Italian seasoning. Add a layer of marinara sauce to the bottom of your slow cooker. I recommend Rao's because honestly, hands down, it's the best if you're not going to make homemade marinara. Layer half of your frozen cheese-filled ravioli. Layer half of your ground beef. Add another layer of the marinara sauce. Add a layer of half of your mozzarella. Layer the remaining cheese ravioli. Add the remaining ground beef. Add the remaining sauce. Layer the remaining mozzarella. Then top with Parmesan cheese. Cover and cook on low heat 3.5 to 4 hours. Now how good does this look? Serve it with a side salad and some garlic bread for a delicious comfort meal. For the full recipe with ingredient measurements and additional cooking tips, please visit aforkedstale.com.